Over 60. Danger, the wrong foods can destroy muscles while the right ones rebuild them. Have you felt your arms shrinking, balance slipping, or constant fatigue after a short walk? These are muscle loss red flags every senior should know. Today, I'll show you 3 foods to never touch and 3 you must eat to stay strong after 60. Stay tuned. The must-eat food at the end works faster than protein powder. Never touch number 1. Soda and sweetened soft drinks. At first they look harmless, but for seniors over 60, they are a silent muscle killer. Have you felt more joint pain, weaker grip, or constant fatigue after even light activity? These drinks may be making it worse. Here's why. The high sugar load spikes insulin, drains magnesium, and accelerates protein breakdown. Your muscles literally struggle to repair after every can. And artificial sweeteners. Studies show they can disrupt gut bacteria, which directly affects how well your body uses protein. Unlike whole foods that support strength, sodas leave you bloated, tired, and inflamed. Your independence depends on avoiding them. Quick tip. Next time you crave something fizzy, try sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. Your muscles and your energy will thank you. If this surprised you, hit the like button so more seniors see this warning. Never touch number 2. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs. For seniors over 60, these aren't just unhealthy, they're downright dangerous for your muscles. Have you noticed stiffer joints in the morning, higher blood pressure at your checkups, or swelling in your legs? Processed meats are a hidden culprit. These products are loaded with salt, nitrates, and preservatives. They increase inflammation, dehydrate your muscles, and make recovery almost impossible. Over time, constant inflammation from these meats damages not just your muscles, but also your arteries, raising the risk of heart disease and stroke. Better choice. Swap processed meats for lean proteins like grilled chicken, turkey, or canned salmon. Your muscles repair faster and your blood pressure stays in check. If you've cut back on bacon or hot dogs already, comment yes below. Your experience could help another senior. Never touch number 3. Packaged or concentrated fruit juice. It sounds healthy, but for seniors over 60, it's a hidden danger to your muscles and your health. Have you noticed sudden spikes in blood pressure, dizziness after meals, or memory lapses more often? Fruit juice could be playing a bigger role than you think. Here's the problem. Without fiber, the sugar from juice rushes straight into your bloodstream, just like soda. This stresses your arteries and accelerates muscle loss. Over time, these sugar spikes weaken your circulation, reduce nutrient delivery to muscles, and increase the risk of diabetes and stroke. Better option. Choose whole fruits or blend smoothies with greens to slow absorption. That way you get the fiber, vitamins, and real muscle protection. If you've been drinking packaged juice daily, pause and ask, could switching to whole fruit make a difference for you? Share your thoughts below. Must-eat number 1. Salmon and other oily fish. For seniors over 60, this food is like medicine for your muscles. Do you feel muscle soreness that lingers for days, or stiffness that makes it harder to get out of bed? Omega-3s in salmon directly fight these problems. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and make your muscles more sensitive to protein, so every gram of protein you eat works harder. Plus, salmon provides vitamin D and calcium from soft bones in canned versions, nutrients crucial for strength and balance after 60. How to use. Enjoy grilled salmon twice a week, or keep canned salmon for quick meals. Mix it with avocado or spread on whole grain toast. If you already eat salmon, comment strong. It shows other seniors that you're protecting your muscles. Must-eat number 2. Whole eggs, including the yolk. For seniors, this is one of the most complete muscle-protecting foods nature has ever designed. Do you feel your arms getting thinner or notice more trouble carrying groceries? Eggs can switch muscle loss back into muscle building. The yolk is the secret. It contains vitamin D, choline for your nerves, and leucine-rich proteins that directly trigger muscle growth. Research shows that eating whole eggs after activity builds 40% more muscle than eating just egg whites. How to use. Make a veggie omelet, boil eggs for snacks, or scramble with spinach for a muscle-boosting breakfast. If you used to throw away the yolk, comment no more. It's time to keep the best part. Must-eat number 3. Greek yogurt or kefir. These fermented dairy foods don't just feed you, they feed your muscles all day and all night. Do you struggle with poor digestion, bloating, or trouble sleeping through the night? That may be linked to weak muscles and poor recovery. Kefir and Greek yogurt are rich in probiotics that heal your gut, improving how well your body uses protein. Kefir contains casein protein that digests slowly, feeding your muscles for up to 7 hours, perfect before bed. Greek yogurt, on the other hand, is packed with leucine and calcium, making it a perfect daytime snack for strength and bone health. How to use. Enjoy Greek yogurt with berries for breakfast, or drink a small glass of kefir at night to protect muscles while you sleep. If you already eat yogurt or kefir, comment daily. Let's see how many seniors keep this habit. Let's wrap this up. If you're over 60, remember this simple rule: 3 to never touch and 3 you must eat. Never touch soda and sugary drinks, processed meats, and packaged fruit juice. They quietly weaken your muscles and steal your independence. Must eat salmon or oily fish, whole eggs with the yolk, and fermented dairy like Greek yogurt or kefir. These foods repair muscles, protect bones, and keep your energy strong. Every meal is a choice: weaken your body or rebuild it stronger. The decision is in your hands. If this video helped you, hit like so more seniors get this life-saving advice. Subscribe for weekly doctor-led tips and comment which of these foods you'll change first.